Ramsey in ITEXPO in Las Vegas. I'm here with Grant Kirkwood, the CEO of Unitas Global. Welcome to the show.
Hi, thank you.
So tell me a little bit about your company and what you offer.
So Unitas Global was founded in 2009. We are an enterprise private cloud company. So what we're really doing is taking the benefits of cloud computing and bringing that to the enterprise. And by enterprise, I really mean companies that are kind of outside of the technology bubble that we all live in the technology industry.
Got it. So you mentioned benefits of cloud. What are some of those benefits?
Yeah, the scalability, kind of on-demand capacity, usage-based billing, consumption-based billing, and most importantly, the operational expense as opposed to CapEx model that cloud computing brings to the table. And then also, part of what we do is we build infrastructure and we manage and maintain all of that infrastructure and provide it as a service rather than as kind of a rack and stack deployment in the traditional model. So those advantages that cloud computing brings to the enterprise, making them more agile and adaptable from an IT perspective, it also comes with kind of certain fear factors, particularly to non-technology enterprise groups. It's insecure, it's shared, it's unreliable. So what we really do is we build private cloud infrastructure so that they get those benefits of cloud computing, but it's their own physical infrastructure. They're not sharing it with anybody, so that they get the assurance of knowing exactly what they're buying.
Great. And there's a lot going on in cloud. It's a very busy space. So what are some things that make you unique?
There's a couple of things. We really look at IT and cloud computing specifically as part of a larger ecosystem. We look at it from a very holistic enterprise business needs perspective. So we kind of start a little more like an integrator. We engage with our clients, we figure out what their needs and challenges are, and we then create innovative solutions that address those challenges. We deliver it in a cloud-like way. So we start as an integrator, we transition to a service provider, and there's not really anybody else on the market doing that. We also, from a technology perspective, we have some unique intellectual property. One of our applications is called Mission Control, and it's a software application that gives the CIO and the rest of the members of the IT organization a very holistic global view of their IT infrastructure, everything from the assets, the servers and the storage and all the different components, but also how that impacts the applications that their users are using. And it does it all in one very visual dashboard. And that's a unique advantage that nobody else can offer.
Great. And you spoke on a panel here at ITEXPO, so tell us a little bit about that and your participation this week.
Sure. So the panel was monetizing the cloud with platform as a service. And there were kind of two parallel conversations taking place. The first was, really defining what platform as a service means. And then myself and the other panelists talked about what platform as a service meant to them. So our particular approach is driven by business needs. Businesses have applications that run their businesses, and so we provide a platform to run those applications. One of my other panelists was talking about platform as a service primarily for development and testing of new applications and building new business services, and particularly focused on the kind of startup realm, Silicon Valley type startups. So two very, very different approaches to the same topic. And it was mostly, the discussion was mostly business focused, not technology focused, which I think is important because it's easy for us to get caught up in all the technology.
Yeah, absolutely. And what are some things we can look forward to seeing from you in the future?
So we have a number of really large Fortune 500 wins that we'll be announcing soon. We're seeing really, really large companies now adopting cloud computing in an interesting way. We're also going to be announcing a major partnership with one of the world's top data center operators, enabling their company to sell our private cloud services to their existing enterprise client base. So that's very exciting.
Yeah, can't wait to hear more about it in the upcoming months. So thank you so much for your time and joining us, and enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you so much.